Evening, just thought I'd give you a heads up. I've got a new tour being loaded in the morning after, must be, what, 6, 8 weeks. So I had the whole sort of nightmare with the internet not working, them having to dig up the street outside, and that took several weeks and, well, nearly a month. Lots of complaints, pushing them, trying to get it done. And then it was done, and then just when I thought I was going to be uploading some stuff, it went again, so we had to get them back out. We had to get more work done, and then I let it settle for a couple of weeks because I just wanted to make sure it was actually okay. And then I went to, put some footage together, and then my editing software started acting up. So I spent all last weekend having a fight with that because I thought I was going to be uploading some stuff last week. But now we appear to be there. We appear to have sort of got over whatever gods were fighting against us over the summer. So I'm hoping to get back into my routine of uploading one video every week, and give me a little bit of time, and I'll get back into the habit of uploading the shorts for any of you that are interested in the shorts. So for now, I just thought I'd give you a heads up tonight. It's going to be appearing UK time about 7 o'clock in the morning, and we're going to be doing a walk around Bloomsbury. And while that's playing, I shall be going back up London and trying to record some more stuff. All right. So for those of you that have stuck with me, haven't unsubscribed and all that, thank you very much for sticking with me. I hope you like the new videos. And for now, that's it. So hopefully I'll see you in the morning. Thank you. Bye.